Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is installed, HP drivers are updated, and the laptop is plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options and select Windows Hello Fingerprint. You need a PIN first, so set or confirm it. This provides fallback. Place the finger you use most often on the sensor with a relaxed grip so the scanner captures the full pad, not just the tip. Now you perform the detailed enrollment. Tap the fingerprint option and follow prompts. Lift and rest your finger repeatedly while the progress bar climbs. Reach 100%. Rotate and shift the finger slightly on each press so the system records different angles and edges. This improves reliability. Make sure you touch the pad with skin, not a nail, and if scans fail, wipe the sensor gently with a microfiber cloth to remove oil or debris before retrying. Finish by testing the setup. Lock the screen and sign in with the enrolled finger so you confirm success. Add a second finger for backup, especially if you often change hand position. If the sensor does not recognize you, make sure HP Support Assistant has the latest driver and BIOS updates, then re-enroll. Updating often fixes compatibility. If problems persist, remove all saved fingerprints in settings and start over, using your PIN to unlock while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.